How does Dovly actually stack up when you sign up to fix your credit score? If you have been looking into automated credit repair, chances are you have seen Dovly pop up as a stress-free solution that uses artificial intelligence to remove negative items from your credit profile. The idea of having an automated system fight late payments, collections, or inaccuracies on your behalf without paying hundreds of dollars to a credit repair attorney sounds incredible. But before you entrust your personal financial data to an algorithm, you need to know what happens when you create an account, what the real workflow looks like, and whether the free plan is actually usable or just a clever marketing hook. Let us walk through the honest reality of using Dovly so you can decide if it is worth your time. The main frustration most people face when dealing with poor credit is the sheer complexity of the manual dispute process. When you spot an error or an old delinquent account on your credit report, fixing it yourself usually involves pulling reports from Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. You then have to draft legal dispute letters citing specific credit compliance laws, attach physical documentation, mail them via certified post, and track 30-day response windows for each bureau. It is tedious, time-consuming, and overwhelming for anyone working a full-time job. Traditional credit repair companies offer to handle this for you, but they often charge heavy setup fees and ongoing monthly retainers well over $100. This leaves consumers trapped between wasting hours on manual paperwork or spending hundreds of dollars on human credit services with no outcome guaranteed. This exact gap is where Dovly positions itself as an automated bridge. When you first complete the registration process, the platform pulls your credit profile through a soft credit check, meaning your current score will not take a hit just for signing up. Once inside the dashboard, the interface is clean and straightforward. Instead of overwhelming you with complicated charts, Dovly's automated engine immediately scans your credit report for negative marks, such as late payments, collection accounts, public records, or hard inquiries. The engine highlights these line items and organizes them into a list, making it easy to identify what is dragging your score down. From there, the core feature comes into play: automated disputing. Rather than requiring you to write custom letters or contact credit bureaus directly, Dovly generates the appropriate dispute paperwork using its underlying algorithms and submits the challenge electronically on your behalf. You simply select the negative accounts you wish to target, verify that the information is inaccurate or disputed, and approve the submission. The system tracks the 30-day investigation cycle required by the Fair Credit Reporting Act and updates your user dashboard as the bureaus respond. However, the key detail that many first-time users overlook during setup is how the plan tiers function. Dovly markets a completely free tier, which is great for getting a baseline look at your credit health, but it comes with strict limitations. On the free plan, you are restricted to disputing just one item per month, and those disputes are routed exclusively through TransUnion. If you have multiple collections or inaccurate marks sitting on your Equifax or Experian reports, the free tier will not address them. To unlock tri-bureau credit repair and unlimited dispute submissions, you have to upgrade to the premium tier. Another point to consider is how dispute processing actually works under the hood. While the platform automates the letter creation and electronic dispatch, it cannot legally guarantee that a bureau will delete a legitimate, accurate debt. AI credit tools excel at catching clerical errors, duplicate accounts, incorrect balances, or unverified claims. But if a negative mark is completely accurate and fully verified by the original creditor, no automated software can magically erase it. So, what is the most effective way to use Dovly if you want real results? First, start by creating a free account to inspect your current TransUnion profile and test the interface. Review every negative mark flagged by the engine and gather any supporting documents you have, such as proof of payment or settlement letters. If you only have one or two minor errors to correct, the free plan may be all you need. However, if your credit reports across all three bureaus contain multiple inaccurate collections or late payments, upgrading to premium for a short window allows you to launch a coordinated dispute campaign across Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion simultaneously. Track your monthly responses, keep record of any deleted accounts, and cancel or adjust your subscription once your disputes are resolved to keep your costs strictly controlled. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.